guys, this is Larry with Winn Pro. We're out this morning doing another installation of Mulch here on one of our commercial properties. As you can see, the transformation is going on. We're going to show you some before and after videos. So if you're looking for this type of service on your residential lot or commercial lot, please give us a call. Visit us at www.winnproturfmanagement.com, or you can reach us at our office, and that's here located in Douglasville, Georgia, and the number is 770-415-1131. Once again, this is Larry, and we're doing Mulch installation today, and you'll see some before and after photos, and you make the decision what you like. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna like our services, the work that we do, nothing but quality and detail. Thank you for choosing Winn Pro Turf Management.